basis again. Okay, problem number one. Wow. If the Ka of acetic acid is 1.8 times 10 to negative 5, what is the pKa of the acid? Calculate the pKb and Kb values of the conjugate base C2H3O2. It looks like difficult as you read this one, really. But if you try to solve, it's gonna be, simpler. So sometimes only the data looks like very strange, something like that. But if you try to solve, it will be just from average, no, from easy to average, or from easy to a little bit of average, but it's not difficult. Okay? Of course, if you're not exposed and familiarized to this type of problem, it sounds also difficult, right? Of course. Okay, now given that one. Ka, you need to say equilibrium constant of an acid. Gas acetic acid, guys, is what we call vinegar. Okay, that we put in our food to cook. Okay, so that it will taste sour, something like that. Vinegar, acetic acid. So C2H3O2 is the formula of the vinegar. Okay, and then the Ka will be equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, what is the pKa of the acid? pKa is equal to negative logarithm of the value of the Ka. So immediately substitute. Okay, and then 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, calculator please. Like that. Okay, so you can solve this without a calculator because it involves a lot of zeros going to the left, like this. So 1.8 exponent negative 5 logarithm. So negative logarithm of 1.8 exponent negative 5 is equal to 4.74 ang imong pKa. 4.74. Now guys, take note guys if you have an exponent of negative 5, so your approximation of your answer will not go beyond 4. It's always lesser than 5. So meaning, the exponent here would determine your value of your pKa in a whole number. Why positive? Because this is negative, then negative. In mathematics, negative, negative, positive, right? If you put like this in math, negative, negative. So you need to make this a positive. For example, 2 minus negative 7. Your answer will be 9. Get the point? Okay. Also apply here. Negative logarithm, a negative exponent, negative, negative, positive. So your pKa is expected to be positive and it's always less than the exponent. For example, if the exponent is negative 6, your answer will be less than 6. Whole number positive and we don't know. But it will never be go up. So that's only the technique. So that it adds you a range so that you will not be lost during your computation. So if you obtain very high, let's say 7, and it's only negative 5 and negative 6, so 6 and 7 pKa is already wrong. Get the point? So that's one technique also. Okay, now, another question back up. Calculate the pKb. pKb. What's the pKb? So the measure of the equilibrium constant of the base. Ganon. And then the equilibrium constant of the base. Ganon. Okay. Now, so we have the formula of which formula that involves pKa and pKb. So we have pKa plus pKb, ganon, is equals to 14. Substitute the pKa. pKb transposed by algebra again. Okay. Like this. 4.74. And take note, without passing algebra subjects, you can never go or proceed to second year college because this algebra is the prerequisite of all mathematics and science also when you take another step subjects in your higher engineering courses. And that's why it's 5 units, higher units Okay? Like that. Okay? It's very necessary. So 14. So you cannot take immediately calculus without taking algebra first. All math. 14 minus 4.74 is equals to 9.26 is our pick and B. Oh, diba? 9.26. So we have now the pKa correct, pKb correct. Yes, perfect. And now, what is the values of Kb? Oh, it's very easy na ang Kb. Oh, okay. Nakuha na siya ang Kb because na-apply ko man. Kw is equals to Ka times Kb, right? Ang Kw is standard at 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14, and we have Ka like that 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. Then our Kb is obviously this one. Okay? So, ganon. 1 exponential to the negative 14 divided by 1.8 exponential to the negative 5 is equals to 5.56 raised to the power negative 5. Guys, you always take note, guys, that the equilibrium constant is always having an exponent negative, or it has always an exponent. Okay, larger, not the numerical siya. If we speak about equilibrium constant, it depends on the situation, but most of the times always like this, Okay? And then how can we compute Kb also in another way around? So we have, okay, Kb, ganon chupa-chucho, okay, is equals to the 10 negative of this pKa, right? Like this. So 10 negative of pKa. Pila na itong pKa nga nakuha, inihigay yun na. So 4.74. So it's expected to be the same with this answer, If not, we will be wrong. Sure. Okay? So, how can we do this? Okay. Exponent. Okay. Exponent negative 4.74. Okay. Then, exponent negative 4.74. 1.82 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay. Like this. Okay, why is not agreeing? Okay, I was in error because Kb here. So this is pKb. So, see? 1.82 times 10 to the negative 5. I was shocked because supposedly it will be the same here. It's only confirmatory, okay? Like that. Since it's not equal, then I have to review, right? Normal process. Okay, so pKb, then 10. So it's gonna be pKb. What's the value of our pKb here? It's being solved already, right? Yeah, it's 9.26, so negative 9.26. So it's gonna be Kb of 10 exponential to the negative 9.26. Ganon. So 10 exponential negative 9.26 is equals to, okay, it's 5.55 times 10 to the negative 10. So it's equal. Okay. So either you use this equation of Kb, it's still answer correct, and also use the Kw, Kb is still the same. Okay, but I would rather use this Kb because pKb is sure here. Okay? Because, you know, we don't know really the Kw sometimes. If there's a confusion of the temperature and, you know, expressed in the problem, and you, what do you call this one? You forget to account, something like that, because this is only understood to be at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. It's gonna be like that. Okay? And then, okay, thank you so much for watching this short vlog. And then you can comment, you can like, you can share, and you can click the notification bell for some newest updates. I am Singer, Channel Voice, and please subscribe, guys, if you don't have subscribe if you not yet subscribed in my channel. Bye bye, God bless everybody. Diba?